After finishing the layout, the last step is to save your project file and get output of the TRT racking system bill of material for your project. There are 3 BOM output tabs for the 3 product lines currently TRT offers. Remember, the product of choice is the TRT02, so you should always output what you pick, even though the system will automatically calculate the other product BOMs for you. These 2 can be used as a reference for comparison purpose. You pick the BOM tab for the product you selected for this project. The final BOM is displayed in the print format. You can go ahead and print out a copy of this final BOM. You can save it as a PDF. And always remember to save your project file to keep for a copy. And you can go to your PDF print folder and move your final BOM into your project folder. And we can take a quick look at the final BOM report. The BOM format basically extracts the user input information like site product name, site address, and it has a timestamp for you. If you have to redesign and make changes, you know which version you are actually working on. And this lists the load assumptions, basically has the data you collected from ASC website, and also the engineering threshold that the tool uses for this project. And following that is table format of the final bill of material. It gives you the part number, description, pictures of the parts, quantity, and you can use this to do pricing and place order. And also give you the PV module information, the model, the manufacturer model, and the quantity. To get more of top rack technology product information, product news, and support of our products and tools, please visit our website, call or email our support team. Thank you for watching.